Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to open any Microsoft Store apps. So whenever you try to open any Microsoft application on your computer and if you're receiving this error code that is 0x00000004. So to fix this error message, whichever application is giving you the error message, uninstall and reinstall that application. For example, to uninstall application, go to settings and then go to apps. Now click on apps and features and then find the application which you are not able to open. So for example, if you're not able to open Paint app, so in my case I was receiving this error message with Paint app. So if you're unable to open Paint app, this is just an example. So whichever application you are unable to open, select that application in the list and then click on uninstall. Now after the uninstall, open Microsoft Store on your computer and then reinstall that particular application from Microsoft Store. But still you're facing the problem. In that case, perform repair install. So you can go to these links. So if you have Windows 10, go to this link. If you have Windows 11, go to this link. If you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Windows 10 users, go to this website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer. Now for Windows 11 users, go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer. So doing a repair install should help you to open Microsoft Store application on your computer without any error message. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.